Roots are the underground part of the plant, but not all roots are underground. Some grow into the air. From Banyan's hanging prop roots to Maize, strong stilt roots, and Mangroves breathing Pneumatophores. Aerial roots are nature's survival tricks. Hello viewers, welcome to BioExplorer. In this video, we will explore the amazing world of aerial root modification, understanding their types, function, and we see why they are some of the most incredible plant adaptations found in nature. Stay tuned till the end because these roots will completely change the way you look at the plant. So let's start the video. Aerial roots. So aerial roots are a type of adventitious roots. These aerial roots develop from the aerial part of the plant, which may be the stem or main stem or branched stem. In any part of the plant, these aerial roots are developed, which performs vital function like mechanical supports and others, which I discussed in the later slide, which help in plants adaptations in the scarce condition. These aerial roots provides the plant various functions like the aerial roots like prop roots, stilt roots or climbing roots provides the plants the mechanical supports. In another way, hosteria or sucking roots help the plant to draw the nutrition from the host. So hosteria or sucking roots helps the plant to draw the nutrition from the host. Respiratory roots or pneumatophores helps to exchange the gases, and another one is epiphytic. In this slide, we discuss about the prop roots and how these prop roots provides the mechanical support in the plant. One of the most common example where prop roots is found is Ficus bengalensis, that is banyan tree. In these banyan trees, adventitious roots arise from the horizontal branches and grow vertically downward. So these are all the horizontal branches which grow vertically and reaching the up to the soil. After reaching the soil, they become thick and woody. Thus, they function as pillars, giving mechanical support to the branches. Hence, they are also known as columnar root. Next is stilt root. These types of roots is found in the Pandanus species. In Pandanus, the adventitious roots arises from the lower part of the main stem. So this is the main stem of the plant, and the adventitious roots or the roots arise from the lower part of the main stem and grow obliquely towards the soil, giving the plants the mechanical support. The climbing roots arises from the nodes and help in attaching the climbing stem firmly to a support like a tree or a wall by various mechanisms. One of the common examples found in the climbing roots is piper beetle. Now we discuss the one of the most common roots like hosteria or sucking roots, which was found in the Cuscuta plants. This was also called the parasites plant. These parasites like Cuscuta develop a kind of root which penetrates into the tissue of the host plant and help to draw nutrition from the host by sucking it. The parasitic plants are not completely equipped to prepare their food. Hence, such plants have to depend on host plants for nutrients. So, these types of plants draw the nutrients from the host. Respiratory roots, which was also called the pneumatophore, is found in the mangrove plants where the marshy waterlogged soil which contain almost no air, plants develop some branches which grow vertically upward into the air. These types of roots found in the mangrove plants like Rhizophora, Abyssinia, etc. Floating roots is found in the Jusia sp. Jusia species. Here, special types of spongy roots called floating or respiratory roots arise from the plant. They are adventitious and enclose a tissue called parenchyma tissue. These roots usually develop above the level of water and serve to store up air and help in buoyancy of the plant. Next, in epiphytic roots, which was commonly found in various types of orchid. One of the most common orchid which is found in our West Bengal is Vanda species. So in this plant, the roots grow on the other plants. Special adventitious roots called epiphytic roots are produced. The outer region of the root is made up of a special tissue called the velamen. This tissue absorbs moisture from the air and makes it available to the plant. These roots do not penetrate the host tissue like parasitic roots. So this is all about the aerial root modification. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more plant science content. See you next time. Thank you.